Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your maths teacher from IYS schools. Hope you all are good and safe at home. So today we start our education by online teaching. Shall we start? But before starting the lecture, I will give you some instructions. Hopefully you all understand. Number one is don't raise hand during lecture. Number two, ask questions at the end of lecture. Number three, use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Number four, feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Take care of time for attending the class. Number six, Home task should be done in your fair copy or of the subject. Number 7. If there is any disconnectivity during the lecture, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. Number 8. Don't try on your video during lectures. And number 9 is, if you have any question, then ask me in chat box. So, yesterday we have started our chapter number 1, that is notation and numeration. So, hope you all understand yesterday's lectures clearly. If you have any question regarding yesterday exercises, exercise 1.1 part A, B and C or any other thing, then you will ask me in chat box after the lecture ends. Okay. So, firstly, before starting today's lesson, I will give you some review about yesterday's lesson. So here you see, first of all tell me, so today's topic is again working with 6-digit numbers that we already learned yesterday. So today's objectives are identify the place value of colored digit. Number 2, describe expanded form. And number 3 is comparison of 6-digit numbers. These are the objectives of today's lesson. Okay. Now, yesterday what we have learned? Pakistani way, international way, to place figures or how to place digits in Pakistani place value chart, how to place digits in international place value chart, how to expand these digits in lakhs, thousand, 10,000, hundreds, tens and units. Now I will give you some review regarding yesterday's lesson. Look at this slide. Here you see a cloud and how many digits are there in cloud? 6 digits. And our topic is about working with 6-digit numbers or understand 6-digit numbers. You know that 6 digits is an end to up starting from ones and end to up legs. Okay. So now you have to tell me that these digits are written in which form? In Pakistani way or international way? So you know very well that in Pakistani way we group like 3, 2, 2 starting from right side. But in international we group like 3, 3 starting from right side. So here you see units, tens, 100, then we place comma here. So this is the identification of international way, that in international way we group like 3, 3. Now 6,000, 5, 10,000, 4, consider as 100,000. You will not see any comma here. This is so in this way you will mark like whether it is Pakistani or whether it is international. So there is only comma before 100 or after 1,000, only single comma here. It's mean it's grouped like in the way of 3, 3. So this is identification of international place value chart, or these are written as international way. Now look at this slide. Here you in the cloud you see 6 digits also, like same as above. So how many digits are there? 6. So starting from here, for identification of whether it is Pakistani or whether it is international. Units, tens, 100, place comma here, same as international. Then 1,000, 10,000. You see again comma here. So now identify that in Pakistani place value chart or in Pakistani period or in Pakistani way, we group like 3, 2, 2. Okay, so units and hundreds, then comma, 1,000, 10,000, and again comma, and this one is shown as lakhs here. International, this 6 digits shown as 100,000. This is the identification of Pakistani and international way that I already taught you yesterday. Now look at this slide. we have already learned about it yesterday. This is Pakistani place value chart. In Pakistani place value chart, we group digits like 3 to 2. So starting from the right side, we always start reading from right side, but always start writing from left side. 8 comes under the place of units, 10 comes under the, 9 comes under the place of tens, and 3 comes under the place of 100. One group is completed, unit, tens, 100. These three places comes at the place group of units, comes in the group of units. Here one group is completed. So comma act as separation. I already told you yesterday that to divide or that to separate these groups, we have to place comma after the end of each group. So here one group is end, so we put comma. Now the next group is of thousands group. In Pakistani place value chart, 1000 consists of two places. Number one is 1000 and another is 10,000. So here 6 comes under the place of 1000 and 7 comes under the place of 10,000. Here another group is complete. So when you write in figures, you will place comma here. And now the next is the 6 digit is lakh. 5 comes under the place of lakhs. Here you see like that. This is Pakistani place value chart. Okay, now come to the next slide. This is shown as international place value chart. International we group like 3. So 7 comes under the place of unit, 2 comes under the place of tens, and 4 comes under the place of 100. One group is completed here. Now come to the next. Other group is of 1000. In 1000, 6 digit considered as 100,000 international place value chart, but lakh is Pakistan. But in lakhs in Pakistani place value chart. So international place value chart group, each group divided into 3. There are the groups is considered as 3, then further 3. So this is a review of yesterday lesson. As you see here, example number 3 of this slide. 5 stands for 5 lakhs. You will write 5. How many? You know very well that how many zeros are there in lakhs? 5 zeros. And why we put commas here? Because when you're starting from here, units, tens, 100, then we put comma here. Then 1000, 10,000, and we put again comma here. Then it's considered as lakhs because it is written as Pakistani place value chart. Now 7 stands for 70,000. And 6 stands for 6,000. So how many zeros are there in 1000? 3 zeros in 1000. Then 3 stands for 100. How many zeros are there in it? 300. So 3 represent as 300. Now come to the tens. 9 comes at the place of 10. So we write 90. And 8 comes at the place of unit. So we write 8 as it is. Then you will write this in this form. Here the expanded form of this number. This is number and this is the expanded form. When you ask to write expanded form of lakh, then how many zeros you will put in expanded form of lakh? 5 zeros by using commas. Okay, by using commas and by using placing zeros with 5. Then how many? You know very well that how many zeros comes in the place of lakh? 5 zeros. So you will write expanded form of lakh in this way. Then addition sign. Then you know very well you have to make expanded form of this. This comes at the place of 10,000, and you know very well that how many zeros are there in 10,000? 4 zeros. So you will write it like this. Then 6, you know very well that how many zeros are there in 1000, and 6 comes at the place of 1000. So you will put 3 zeros. Then 3 at the place of 100, you know that there are 2 zeros in the place of 100, you will put 2 zeros. Then 9 at the place of tens, you know 1 0 is there at 9, then you will put 1 0, then 8. This is the expanded form of this number. Hope you all understand this very well. Now look at this, same as Pakistani, this is international expanded form of this slide, as you see here. Okay, 9 stands for 100,000 because international place value chart, I tell you again and again that international place value chart, it considered the 6 digit considered as 100,000. Okay, so here 9 stands for 900,000, and you know that in 100,000 we put 5 zeros, 900, and 3 zeros in 1000. Now 6 stands for 10,000. So how many zeros are there in 10,000? 4 zeros. 1 stands for 1000. So how many zeros are there in 1000? 3 zeros. 4 stands for 100. You know very well that how many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. So you will put here 2 zeros. And 4 stands for 400. 2 stands for tens. 2 comes at the place of tens. You know very well how many zeros are there in tens. Only one zero. So 2 represent as 20. And in units, only single digit, no zero placing here. So you will write 7 as it is. And this is the number form of this expanded digits. Now here you see this is the international place value chart. How you identify this? By this 900,000 and this comma here. The group of 3 shown here, that this is international placing system. So when you do expanded form of first digit, 6 digit, starting from the right side, this is 6 digit. Starting from the right side, this is 6 digit, and from left side it's first digit. I always tell you that always read from right, but always start writing from left side. So now 9. 9 comes at the place of international place value chart, 100,000. So you will write 9,000 as this, because in international place value chart, you will group digits in 3, 3. So you put comma after 100 and before 1000. Okay, this is expanded form of lakhs. Now 6. 6 comes at the place of 10,000. So how many zeros are there in 10,000? 4 zeros. We will write it like this. After that, 1 comes at the place of 1000. How many zeros are there in 1000? 3 zeros. You will write it. Expanded form of 1 is this. Now look at here after comma. 4 comes at the place of 100. How many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. So 400 will write it like this in expanded form. Now this tens, how many zeros are there in tens? Only 1 zero. So 2 write as 20. And in the end, what is this? 7 is placed under units. So we will write 7 here like this. This is the expanded form of this number. Hope you all understand. Now we come to our today's lecture. I'm going to start for today's lecture. Yesterday we have done exercise 1.1 part A, part B, part C. Hope you all done in your fair copies or in your books. If you have any question regarding yesterday's exercise or facing any difficulty by solving any exercise, you will ask me in chat box. Okay. So now I'm going to start today's lecture, part D. Yesterday we have done till part C. We are today we also continue exercise 1.1. Yesterday we have done part A, B, C. Look into your books, page number 4. And here on your screens you see, okay, part D. Write the place value of the color digit first in Pakistani way, second in the international way. Okay, what they are asking from you, that you have only identified the place value of color digit, not of all digits. Okay, first of all you have to write in Pakistani way only the place value of color digit, then in international way. So here one example is done for you in your book. Look at here. Start reading from the right side. Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. In Pakistani we counted lakh, and international we counted 100,000. And you write in, and here ask that you will write in both ways, in Pakistani way and international way. So first of all we will start writing in international way. So in international way it is count like 100,000. 3 is count like 100,000. The 6 digit is called 100,000. So you will write like this. 3 in words. First of all in words. 300,000 or 300,000. In international we group like 3 3 na, so we only put comma here. Units 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Only put single comma here. Now we will write in Pakistani way. Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. In Pakistani way, the 6 digit considered as lakhs. So in lakhs, we write it like 3 lakh. First of all in words, then we put or here. Then in figures, 3 lakh. You know, in Pakistani way, you will make groups of 3, 2, 2. So starting from here, units, tens, 100, then we put comma, 1000, 10,000, then we put comma, then here lakh. Hope you all understand this. Now look at this slide here. Question number 2 is also done for you. I've solved question number 2 for you. 849630. Here what's the color digit? In number 2, this one. Units, tens. Here tens 3 comes at the place of tens and 3 is colored digits. So what's the place value here? The place value of 3 is tens. So what you write? 3 tens or 30. Why 30? Because after 3, how many digits are there? Only one digit, and you know very well that in tens only single zero is considered. So 3 tens or 30. And in international period, same as Pakistani units, tens, you will write in same with 3 tens or 30. Question number 3 is also done for you. Here you see which digit is colored here? Units, tens, 100, 1000. 6 comes at the place of 1000. 6 is colored here. So here you see 6,000 units, tens, 100, 1000. 6 comes at the place of 1000. So here what you have to do, here you just write the place value of colored digit in both Pakistani or international way. So 6,000 or 6,000, because you know very well that there are 3 zeros comes at the place of in thousand. So you will write it like 6,000 or in figure 6,000. Same in international, there is no change in Pakistan international till 5 digits. Okay, so unit stands 100,000. Same in international way, you will write like 6,000 or 6,000. Same in words and then in figures. This is Pakistani way, and this is Pakistani way, and this is international way. Hope you all understand this exercise part B. Exercise 1.1 part B. Now move to the next part E. On the same page, say page number 4 in your books. Look at here. Write the numbers that match these expanded form. What you have to do here expanded form of it is given, and you have to write the numbers by looking this expanded form that match this expanded form. So starting from here, I always told you that you always start reading from right, but always start writing from left. So first of all, you have to see here that how commas are placing here. Then you identify whether it is Pakistani expanded form or whether it is written in international way. So here you see 2 commas. It means it's grouped like 3, 2, 2. So this is written as Pakistani expanded form. So look at here. The first digit is considered as lakhs. You know very well that in Pakistani way, the 6th digit considered as lakhs. How many zeros are there in lakhs? 5 zeros. So first of all, you will write 8. 8 comes at the place of lakh because there are 5 zeros given here. So then comma, then look at here. 30,000 means lakhs, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tenths and units. So here 3 comes at the place of 10,000. Then you see 5,000. Then 5 comes at the place of 1,000. Then we again put comma because this is Pakistani way. Then 3 comes at the place of 100. 2 comes at the place of tens and 9 comes at the place of units. Here next question is done for you. This is Pakistani way and this is international way. Starting from here, first of all you have to see whether it is Pakistani or whether it is international, and what is the identification of Pakistani or international. I already told you many times. I'll tell you many times. Okay, now here you see only single comma. It means it group in 3, 3. And in international, we group like 3, 3. So starting from here, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tenth, and units. So 9 comes at the place of 100,000. 50,000 means 5, 10,000. 5, 10,000. 5, 10,000 comes at the place of 10,000. 4,000. Here you see how many zeros? 3. So it means it comes under the place of 1,000. So 4 comes at the place of 1,000. Now, how many zeros are there with 8? 2 zeros. 8 comes at the place of 100. 60 means 10. 6 comes at the place of 10. And 1 comes at the place of unit. Here 2 questions are done for you. With the help of these, you will solve this exercise. Okay. Now look at these. Look at this. Here, few questions are already solved by you. Solved for you. Number 3. You know that here it is also Pakistani way. So you will do in same way like this. Here you see international way. So here you see 0 in the place of 10,000. So you will put 0 as it is in numbers. Okay. And question number 8 in international way. So you will do this in same manner as question number 2. Hope you all understand this part very well. If you face any difficulty, then you will understand. Then you will ask me question in chat. Okay. Now open. Now look at this part F. Part F is the opposite of part E. Here you do expanded form. Here the expanded form is given and you will write these the numbers that match these. But here they're opposite. You will write these numbers in expanded form in this way. Same as this way. Here expanded form is given and you write numbers. Okay, right? And here numbers are given and you will express it in expanded form. Here also you see the placing of commas. If 2 commas are placed here, then you will understand that it is Pakistani way and you expand it by using Pakistani way. And if single comma is here, then you will easily understand that this is international way. So you will solve it in international way. Here I have solved 1, 3 and 6 question for you. In question number 3 you see, starting from the left, first digit considered as lex because 2 zeros are placed, 2 commas are placed here. Group of 3, 2, 2. Here you consider, here you easily understand that this is Pakistani way. So you start like this. 6 comes at the place of. Okay. Look at here, students. You will write this in expanded form. Okay, same as previous slide as I shown you here. Okay, this is expanded form. Same in this way you will do this exercise. 6 at the place of x, so you will put 5 zeros here. Be careful by putting commas in between this. Now addition sign, then 5 comes at the place of 10,000. You will put 4 zeros with 5. Okay, this is comes at the place of 10,000. Then 0 at the place of 100. Then 0 at the place of tens and units at the place of, and 3 at the place of units. In the same way, question number 6, this is written as international way. International is considered as 100,000. So 700,000, you will write it 700 and these 3 zeros are for 1000. Okay, be careful by putting commas. I am telling you again and again. Then addition sign, then 6 comes. Then 6 comes at the place of 60,000. Then 6 comes at the place of 10,000. How many zeros are there in 10,000? 4 zeros. So we write it like this. Then 3 comes at the place of 1000. How many zeros are there in 1000? 3 zeros. And you, in expanded form, you will put 3 zeros. Then 2 comes at the place of 100. You will put 2 zeros with 2 in expanded form only. Okay. Then 0 comes at the place of tens. Only single zeros putting here in expanded form. And then 9 comes at the place of units. This is expanded form of these numbers. In this way, you will solve exercise 1.1 part F. Our next topic is comparison of 6-digit numbers. Page number 5, page number 3 of your book. Here you see, for comparison of 6-digit numbers, first check the 6-digit number. Always start reading from right side. Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Units, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh or 100,000 international way. So first of all, we have to see 6-digit numbers. Here 6-digit number is 3. Here 6-digit number is 2. So how we compare both of them? By looking 6-digit number. Okay, so here 3 is bigger than 2. So the greater sign of the crocodile face is here on 3. Open at 3. In case if 6-digit number of both the digits are of both the figures are numbers are same, here 7 is same, here 6-digit 7 is same. Okay, if both numbers are same of 6-digit placing a 6-digit, then you will see 5th-digit number. Units, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Units, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Here 8 is 5th-digit number and here 9 is 5th-digit number. Okay, so here 9 is bigger than 8. Okay, so the crocodile face is open on 9 because 9 is greater than 8. So here the crocodile mouth is here at 9. In similar conditions, go on to check if fifth digit is same of both the numbers, then you will see fourth digit. If fourth digit is same of both the numbers, then you will see third digit. If third digit is also same of both the numbers, then you will see second digit. Okay, and the second is same, then you will see first digit. In this way, you will do comparison of 6-digit numbers. Hope you all understand. Now look, last part of exercise 1.1, that is part G, page number 5 of your books. Here what you have to do, you just compare both these numbers as I already told you here, that how to compare these. First of all, look at here, one question is solved for you. Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. These are only 5 digits numbers and these are 6-digit numbers. Here you see 3 of both are same, but what's the difference here? These are 5 digits numbers and these are 6-digit numbers. So obviously the greater sign is there on this number. Now look at number 2. Now here few questions are solved. Look at number 3. Here units, both are 6-digit numbers. Okay, units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Both are 6 digits. First of all, what you have to do in comparison, you will see 6-digit numbers. Here 6 is smaller than 7, so the crocodile mouth is open at 7. Here you see 5 digits, 6 digits. So obviously the crocodile mouth opens at 6-digit numbers. Remaining questions will done by you in your books by pencil. Here you see both the digits are same, both 6 digits of both numbers are same. So here you put is equal to sign. In this way, this question is solved. Here first 6 digits are same, 5 digits are same. Also 4 digits are same, then you will see third digit number, that is 100. Units, tens, 100, units, tens, 100. Here 2 is greater than 1, so crocodile mouth is open towards 2. Hope you all understand these parts. If you have any query, any question regarding today's lesson, you will ask me in chat. Now come to the home task. Part D. In your fair copy by using pen. Part E, there is space given in your book, so you will solve part E in your book by using pencil. Part F. Also space is no space is given here, so you will solve part A in your fair copy and part G in your book because there is space given, and you easily write there. And please use pencils by solving questions in your book. Now if you have today's lecture is completed. Okay, hope you enjoyed today's lecture and understand it. We'll meet tomorrow with lesson number 2. Allah Hafiz, stay home, stay safe.